Yes, students, ninth class, chapter 3rd, Naziwad, Nazism and Hitler's rise. ये question answer. First question, describe the problems faced by the Weimar Republic. Answer, Weimar Republic faced many problems right since its birth. These were as follow. First, the Republic was faced to sign a humanity treaty of Versailles. Germans held the Weimar Republic responsible for not only the defeat in the war but the disgrace at Versailles. It created the burden of war guilt and national humiliations. Second point, the Republic was financially crippled by being forced to pay war compensations. Third, German government's economic reforms in 1923 led to unimaginable inflation with disasters consequence for many sections of depression worsened the situation. Big business, middle class, workers, peasants, all were badly affected. Economic crisis led to political radicalizations. Fourth, Weimar Constitution had some inherent defects which made it unstable and vulnerable to dis- distor- di- distortionship when was one was proportional representation which made achievement of a majority by any one party a near impossible task. Another defeat was arti- artilic artic, Articles 48 यानी another defeat was Article 48 which gave the president the powers to impose emergency, suspend civil rights and rule by decrees. All these provisions led to instability in Germany. Question third, second, discuss why Nazism become popular in Germany by 1930. Principal causes responsible for popul- popularizing Nazism in Germany can be sus- summed up as follow. First, discontent due to the Treaty of Versailles. After defeating the Germany allies had imposed many unjust conditions on Germany. It was forced to accept them. Under the threat of aggression, the aggression gave rise to Nazism in Germany. Second point, political instability in Germany. Under the Weimar Republic, there exists political instability between 1919 to 1933 AD. As many as 21 condition governments were formed and full policy changed Frequently, democracy failed to give any relief to the people. Hitler promised as a stable and strong government. He won the support of the people. Third, unfaithful democracy in Germany. Germany had no tradition of running a parliamentary democracy. Germany, to say the least, was a democracy without democrat. The democracy was against the German culture and tradition. Therefore, people could not understand the functional activities of parliamentary institutions. There were deep political differences between the communist and the Nazi. Because of the above reasons, democracy was failed to achieve faith among German citizens. Fourth, the economic crisis, unemployment, inflation, price rise, ruin of German trade and industries, coupled with general world depression, created economic disaster of the worst other in Germany. इसी का फिफ्थ है थ्रेट ऑफ कम्युनिज्म. The communists in Germany tried to stage a revolution on the pattern of the Soviet Revolution of 1917 AD. Thus, the German capitalists extended full support to Hitler. Nazi Party as the party was against socialism. Question third. What are the peculiar features of Nazi thinking? Answer third का. The peculiar features of Nazi thinking are follows. First, the people exist for the state rather than the state for the people. Second point, to put an end to parliamentary institutions and the democratic propaganda. Third, to crush communism and liberalism. Fourth, to tolerate no opposition or criticism and to allow no party formation other than his own. Fifth, to have full control on education, press, radio, and other means of propaganda. Sixth, to turn out the Jews from Germany because they had caused great hardship to German people during the First World War. Seventh, to denounce the Treaty of Versailles as disgraceful and to region the lost German. Question fourth. Explain why Nazi propaganda was effective in creating a hatred for Jews. Answer fourth का. Nazi propaganda was effective in creating a hatred for Jews because of the following reasons. First, role of traditional Christians. Jews remained the worst suffers in Nazi Germany. Nazis' hatred for Jews had in precursor in the traditional Christian hostility towards Jews. They had been stereotyped as killers of Christ and users until medieval times. Joys were word from owning, owning land. They survived mainly through trade and money lending. Various theories. Second is the various theories. The Nazi started using theories of Darwin. The Nazis' theories of Darwin and Herbert Spencer to propagate against Joyce. So people started justifying their hatred for Joyce as they were considered inferior race and had no right to survive according to these two theories. Third, propaganda at school level. Nazis started their propaganda from school level. School textbooks were written to justify ideas of race. Finish next call.